I know every day can feel like Christmas time is here.
Hey, my bosses, how you all doing this morning? This is a nice Thursday morning. I'm on my way to do some girly things. I'm on my way to go get waxed, so I will capture some footage of that. But y'all, I actually was thinking about, I'm actually going to start a new series. I'm not going to give a title, honey, but it is going to be for all of my girly girls and my ladies who tap into their inner girl. You know, and those of us who are prissy and soft and dainty and delicate. I'm going to do a series on that. And so I'm so excited to drop my series. Matter of fact, by the time I drop this video and the short, check out my short, guys, on this video. It's lending to what the series is pretty much going to be about. And I'm so excited because it's so my lane, honey. So my lane. But anyway, we're just doing some girly things. This week is not really a maintenance week, but it sort of kind of is. And I say that loosely because I typically like to get everything done the same week. I'm not one of those girlies who like to every week do something, like get my nails done one week, brows the next, and all that. I don't have time for that. My bandwidth is too tight for me to be able to do that. So I like to go, girl, and get my brows, my pedicure and wax all and hair done in the same week. And I only get my lashes done when I have a special event or if I'm going out of town, which is why I got them done 2 weeks ago. And I might have that footage in this video as well. But child, today we're just chilling. We're not doing much. Like I said, I'm on my way to go get my wax done. And the reason why it's an off week is because, honey, I was supposed to have gotten it done last week and I pushed it back, child, because I just didn't feel like going. So we're going today. And y'all, my nails are doing so good. My hands may be a little ashy because I just washed my hands, but I got these nails from Amazon. And I'm doing the drop in the Amazon haul. You probably already seen it before you saw this video. Just check out my Amazon Prime video, honey. But anyway, girl, I am obsessed with these nails. And I will drop the link below. I got these from Maya Galore. So Maya Galore, these are the ones that she wears. She does her own press-ons. And y'all know your girl has been doing her own gel X nails. And I just wanted something that was, I love Maya's nails. And I wanted something that was like soft and dainty and French. Because I bought the stuff to do my own French. Like the whole, like paint and everything. But girl, I don't have time to do my French nails. So, when I saw Maya's press-ons, I was like, yo, let me check these out, y'all, because my thumb bed is very, very wide for some weird reason. I don't know, but it's my uniqueness. But my thumb, oh gosh, that was a mole possum on that side of the road, y'all. Animals on the side of the road creeps me out. But anyway, my thumb bed is real wide, really, really wide. And I oftentimes, when I get press-ons, it's not enough coverage for the side of my thumbs. And so it's my thumbnail and my middle finger. And I just kind of have to be very mindful of, you know, who I purchase my falsies from. But girl, honey, I got these nails that Maya wears, and I am obsessed. I absolutely love the packaging. We're going to do a video in our new series on those, and I'll show you guys the nails that I purchased and more in-depth do a more in-depth video about the product. But right now, I'm hooked. Like, I am hooked, honey, on these nails. And they have so many different ones and different types of French, you know, styles. And you know, you always think, child, you're the only person doing something, and come to find out, this happens to me a lot. I'm not going to lie to y'all, and I'm not trying to say I'm a trendsetter or anything like that. I will start doing something that I think is unique to me, not honestly, in all innocence, not realizing that it's being like done outside of, you know what I'm saying, out in the community, child. So I had been getting my French tips for a while, and this is nothing new, don't get me wrong. It's not like I'm saying I started this trend, but for months I've been like having my esthetician just do my French in different colors on my feet. Girl, I didn't know the girls have been doing that. So when I looked at the nails that I ordered, these nails, they had some French that were different colors, because like right now I have a pink French tip on my toes, and I'll just switch it up. You know, I'll do green, blue, lavenders, all those things. And so I was just excited to see that they actually have the nails that are in the different colored French design that I can get, because I'm one of those girlies that likes for her fingers to match her toes. Just like your bras have to match your panties, your nails should match your toes, okay? Please, y'all. And when I say match, it doesn't have to be the exact color, but girl, don't have red nails, honey, and walking around here with some daggone purple toes. We're not doing that, okay? Let's not do that. So, you know, I like for my nails and my feet to match. I'm one of those. But anyway, I was excited, so I can't wait to show y'all that. And what else is going on, y'all? Oh, we're going to wash the units this weekend and pluck them, and I got to freshen them up and recut my lace, and I can't wait to do that. I've been watching Pretty Bremua's videos, y'all, down. When I tell y'all, Brie got me in a choke hold. I just go through those phases, guys. And sometimes some content creators, they just have me in a chokehold. And Brie is my girl. Like, her and Sharika B. Sharika B had me in a chokehold years ago, because that was my workout girly. Like, I would just put her on when I'm at the Y and working out. And so I got back into her vortex about 2 weeks ago. So I've been catching up on her stuff. And girl, Brie girl, when I tell you that girl got me in a chokehold. So if you're watching Brie, hey niece, how you doing, virtual niece? So I was watching her videos, and I think I'm obsessed with the way Brie applies her units. She does it so effortlessly. And you know, I see that she has some of the like little issues when she's putting on her units, like I do, like hair getting in the glue and stuff. But she has it down now to a science. But girl, she has me in a choke hold, and I love watching her and Sharika B put on their units. So with that being said, I'm washing my units this weekend. It's time for them to be washed anyway, and they just need to be freshened up. So I'm going to wash them and pluck them. And oh yeah, there's a few of them I wanted to dye. You know what? I am literally right here by Target, so I think I may go into Target, or I may order some dye from Amazon, because I got to place a Amazon order. It's not really a big one. I got to check and see what I want to get, but I do need to place an Amazon order. So I think I'm gonna add some hair dye to that order, child. And we're gonna dye this hair this weekend. So I don't know what he got going on. So I'm gonna be home all weekend, just working on some things, doing some content, getting my content prepped for next week, y'all. So I'm trying my best to get on this daggone content schedule that I've been fighting, like, for my life, girl, fighting for my life, Caroline, to get on for the past, girl. Now, she would be coming this way. I don't like, let me just move on this side, child, because she's struggling. Look at this sucker. Girl, everybody trying to come out at the same time. Lady, get on over there. Playing with you. And he need to move out the way. Y'all, I got my little road rage going on. Excuse me, y'all. Because I'm not a happy driver. Girl, he was struggling when I was turning in. He's all up in the daggone way, taking up the doggone lane. And then I'm trying to park, and here he is again, coming around the corner all in the way. But anyway, y'all, I don't know, I might cut that out. And then again, y'all just need to see me in my glory. So, child, that's just how we are when we drive. I'm not the best. God is working on me, okay? Y'all know Auntie love the Lord, but God still got his hands on me when it comes to driving, child. So we're going to sit here for a little sec because we are early. I do go to European Wax Center, and my girl Jamie, she is clutch. She is the bomb. I've been going to Jamie for years. Yes, so she does me. And I just love her. So if you're ever in Charlotte, North Carolina, please come to the European Wax Center in Huntersville, North Carolina, over here by the what is it called? I forgot the name of the little area, but y'all know, if you live here, you know what I'm talking about. It is over here by the Staples, Shell, and the TJ Maxx and Home Goods and all of that. But anyway, what was I talking about? Yeah, y'all, I'm trying. I've been fighting for my life, y'all, to try to get on a schedule with my content creating, and it is getting on my nerves. I have the perfect schedule for me. It's just sticking to the schedule that's just like annoying the crap out of me. So I really been trying hard to like stick with my schedule. And I'm not going to say what my schedule is just yet, because I want to wait and get consistent, because I'm going to do another follow-up, a mid-year content creator update. And I did one already for this year. I did one at the top of the year, like maybe 2 months ago. I'm going to do one mid-year, and then I'm going to do another one at the end of the year. And so that is just, those are videos that I like to drop just to kind of educate my new content creators on what I'm learning as a content creator. I'm only 1 year in, so I consider myself a nano content creator, not really a newbie, but not really a true intermediate just yet. So I'm kind of in between that. But I know a lot more than what I did, but not as much as I need to, if that makes any sense. So yeah, y'all, child, I'm sitting out here in this hot car. I'm about to go inside in a minute. But yeah, I want to just really get myself locked in with the schedule. So I'm hoping and praying I can just do that next week. So in order for that to happen, because we are so behind, I need to lock in this weekend and get all the videos that were supposed to have been out this week. I need to get them dropped, recorded, scheduled, dropped, all the things. So I did drop, I did 6 videos the other day. What was yesterday? Wednesday. I had a real estate volunteer event yesterday. So Tuesday, I did 6 videos. Today, I'm going to lock in and do some. And then tomorrow, I'm hoping and praying I can lock in enough today to get the rest of them done. Y'all, if I can get the rest of those videos done today, that would be so clutch. So, and I have a lot to do. And I'm trying to talk without telling y'all what's going on, because there are a lot of things going on behind the scenes y'all I don't have a clue about, that I can't talk about at the moment. But when the time comes, I will share what is going on. But right now I can't. So until that time comes, I have to. But yes, so in the meantime, let's just put it this way. I just have competing priority. Everything is a priority right now. So we'll leave that right where it's at. But anyway, I'm not about to talk y'all to death, honey. Let me capture some footage, girl, for this series I'm doing. And then I may come back on. I may not. I don't know. It's hot. Everybody's complaining about hot. You know what? Off topic. I already knew this daggone summer, y'all, was going to be a beast because of the winter. And that's with me. I don't know. Am I the only person to do that? Comment down below if you're the only person that gauges how the summer is going to be by the winter and how the winter is going to be by the summer. Because I think I told a few of my friend girls, I was like, look, it's going to be on and popping this summer, because y'all, the way this winter season was, I was like, oh man, we in trouble. And look at us, y'all, 88 degrees at night, in the dead of night, 12 o'clock in the morning, 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, it's 88. No ma'am. What? I don't think I've ever known it to be in the 70s and 80s at night. Now maybe I'm remiss, I don't know, maybe, y'all, like, is that normal? That's not normal. But that's God. God is doing what he does, baby. I love that for him. But anyway, y'all, let me go in here, honey, because I got like 5 minutes. And I usually don't go in till like right up until the time of my appointment. But she's probably in there chilling, girl, waiting for me. All right, y'all. Call you back.
Oh, that we could always see such spirit through the years.